Hi, I am Viola Cellini. Subscribe to my channel and I will take you into my world of craftsmanship, passion and love. Since this is my very first episode, let me tell you something about myself. I am 36 years old, mother of 3 kids and a pastry chef by trade since 2016. I'm married to an Italian and owner of Viola's Patisserie in Eindhoven. I am more stubborn than anyone you know, great at parking any car, smiling, a real foodie, and I always choose my own path. I truly believe food can be used as medicine and pastry can make a person happy. That delicious cake makes a birthday better. That very special wedding cake that will be remembered for years to come. An indulging chocolate cake when life just gets you down will make you feel so much better. But also that simple chocolate that can be enjoyed by a person that has either allergies or is diabetic and can normally not eat treats can make him feel so much better. These are things that make me happy. That and of course spending time with my family. With this channel, I want to show the entire world that pastry can be genuine, fresh, delicious, beautiful and healthy. How great is my pastry? Whether it is vegan, keto, low carb, or vegan and keto low carb, or just regular pastry, I want to show you how it's done. I've not always been a pastry chef. As a former manager, I found my passion later on in life. When our sous chef Ingrid was born, my husband Giovanni asked that one vital question. Do you have a passion in life that you've always wanted to pursue? It was patisserie. Of course, I realized you don't become a pastry chef overnight. This takes years and years of practice. And the very first step was a basic education. 3 months I spent learning as much as possible. During the weekend, I would be at home with my family, and in the week, I would be in a hotel close to the school. If the class would start at 8, I would be there at 7, already in the bakery, starting to practice as much as I could. I had something to prove, and I wanted to spend the time away from my 1-year-old at the time and my husband wisely. Looking back, it was really a wonderful time. I was doing what I loved. After even 1 week at the school, I knew this was going to be the thing I wanted to do for life. When I graduated in April, my story still needed to begin. I went to the Chamber of Congress and I started my company, Dolce di Viola, which means sweets by Viola in Italian. We rebuilt a kitchen in our house and put up my very own website. Every Saturday, Giovanni and I would go to a local market. He would sell all of the pastry, while I was still a little bit shy about what I was making. I was thinking, would they like what I'm doing? As a manager, I knew exactly what I was doing. But in the world of pastry, I had no clue. I still needed to build some confidence. This soon changed because I went from baking 1 cake a week to 50 a week. And when there was a freezer in my living room, I knew I was doing a good thing. Next time, I will tell you more about my story, about how we built Viola's Patisserie from scratch. But for now, I want to show you my all-time favorite cream, lemon curd. With real butter, lemons imported straight from the south of Italy, and eggs that come from our local farmer. Believe me that you will taste the difference. What you're going to need for this wonderful lemon curd is 2 egg yolks, 2 whole eggs, a pinch of salt, 200 grams of sugar, 120 grams of butter, and the zest and juice of 3 lemons. Did you know that the average baker uses zest and sugar scooped from a bucket with preservatives? Put lemon juice, lemon zest and salt in a pan. Combine in a separate bowl the fresh eggs, egg yolks and sugar and mix well. Heat the lemon mixture to about 40 degrees and combine slowly to the egg mixture and stir well. Once combined, put the entire mixture back on the heat and cook over a low heat till it starts to boil and thickens. If you would like the full written recipe, I will put down the link below. Yeehaw! Remove from the heat and strain the mixture. Let it cool to around 50 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer at home, no worries. If the steam still comes off, it's too hot. Wait a little bit longer before you add the butter. Combine the cream with the butter and mix well until you have a wonderful lemon curd. This cream is the base of our lemon meringue tartelette. It's delicious on a brioche bread or you just eat it like this with a spoon. My god, this is amazing. I think you must try this. If you would like to hear more about my story, follow me in my dreams to come and watch me make and taste delicious pastry, then subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I want to show you passion, strength, real life and awesome food.